Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenas noches. We are jumping straight into today's video. So I'm just giving you a preview of this 13 by 5 T-part lace wig from Soku X-Tress hair. And now I'm going to show you exactly how I customized it. I literally didn't do much at all. This is pretty much the wig straight out the package. I just went over the bit of the lace that was exposed, plucked that to try and give it a bit more of a natural finish, but because it was a T-part lace, and as you saw in the previous clip, there wasn't really much hair to kind of pluck and work with, so this was kind of unnecessary, but I'm still going to show you the step anyway. And then after this, I'm going to show you the installation process. This is probably the quickest and shortest YouTube video I have filmed because there just was not that much to do. So we're just gonna get into this wig. So the wig that I got is from Soku Hair, also known as X-Tress Hair. They specialize in synthetic wigs. Now I'm just waving this wig around, but I'm just trying to show you the hairline plucked. There wasn't really much to pluck because it was actually a T-part lace, which is really convenient. I'm actually a big fan of T-part lace wigs because I find them super easy to work with. There's very limited lace, so you don't have to faff around. There wasn't really much that came with it, hence why I didn't do an unboxing, but you did get this headband. It's quite cute. It's kind of go with what I'm wearing now. Okay, so that's the wig flipped on. So these are the first impressions. Now I did pluck it, but you can't really see that well because there really wasn't a lot of space to work with. You literally have this space here and where my finger is, so barely anything. I'm just cutting my lace. I think I could even get away with wearing this glueless. Should we try? I think I can do a glueless look with this. So what I did is I literally just tucked the ends in and folded it behind my ear. Just gonna go in with my concealer. And if you get it on the hair, ain't no thing but a take away, because you just wipe that off. The lace is a little on the dark side. It's cute, it's wavy, it's cute. And if I'm to use the headband that they sent, I could style it like this, although I don't see anyone rocking their hair like that in this day and age. Or I could rock it like this with a little bit of the headband or lace showing. And if you really want your hair to be like super flat, because obviously this is completely glueless, you can either put a little bit of got-to-be glue or spray or even a little bit of mousse right there at the beginning. But yeah, this is pretty much a synthetic wig 101, 20 inches, pop on and go. Running some cute errands, stepping out with the girls quickly, lastminute.com. this it. I might even keep this in the car. You know, just that wig that you need to throw on and go. This might be that. This is cute. This is cute. That pretty much concludes today's video. It was a really short one, very easy. I want to say thank you to Soku X-Tress Hair for sending me this wig once again. And I'm all for everything that is simple, easy, and just light. Now this is a glueless wig. I haven't actually glued it down or anything, but you can certainly glue it down if you choose to. I just like things that are easy and convenient, and with this wig I thought that, you know, especially with the fact that it came with a headband, why not make it into an easy style? Now the length that it comes in is 20 inches and the color is color 1B, I believe, but it actually looks pretty black. Or color 1, this looks like a color 1 to me. It looks jet black. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I shall be sure to see you in my next video. Adios, amigos.